Welcome. In this video, you will discover how Infoblox Universal DNS Management, a part of the Universal DDI Product Suite, revolutionizes the management and delivery of core network services across hybrid and multi-cloud environments, improving efficiency, consistency, and reliability. We'll demonstrate its powerful capabilities by showcasing its seamless integration with Microsoft Azure DNS. As organizations expand their multi-cloud deployments, NetOps and CloudOps teams often juggle multiple DNS solutions across various clouds and on-prem locations. Most cloud providers offer DNS services that are limited to their own environments and lack cross-cloud and on-premises integration. This fragmented approach leads to increased management overhead, manual update processes, configuration errors, and ultimately service outages and higher costs. Infoblox Universal DNS Management serves as a central point for configuring and controlling all critical network services. By consolidating visibility and management of numerous DNS services, including Azure DNS, Amazon Route 53, Google Cloud DNS, Microsoft DNS, Infoblox NIOS, and more. Universal DNS Management streamlines operations at scale. This consolidation significantly enhances the speed and efficiency of service delivery across your entire infrastructure. Infoblox Universal DNS Management automates the synchronization of zones and records across clouds into the Infoblox portal for centralized visibility and management. It also enables zones synced from the cloud to be served by Infoblox name servers. This functionality is especially useful for things like Azure Private Link. Azure Private Link provides private access within Azure's network to services otherwise accessed via public endpoints. To accomplish this, Private Link automatically creates Azure Private DNS zones and records for these services, which can only be resolved using Azure DNS within a virtual network linked to the zone. Resolving these zones from clients outside of Azure usually requires the deployment of inbound forwarding endpoints in a VNet and a complex set of forwarding rules. With Universal DNS Management, these private zones are synced into the Infoblox portal, where you can assign additional name servers to simplify resolution outside of Azure. The private link zones and all Azure DNS zones are seamlessly synced into a single interface, providing complete centralized visibility and management. All records within these zones are also synchronized. With this centralized visibility, you gain an accurate single source of truth for all your DNS records. Infoblox Universal DNS Management consolidates the management of all your Azure DNS and other DNS services into the Infoblox portal. Any changes you make to records and zones are seamlessly pushed to the provider service, such as Azure DNS. For example, let's update the IP of this record. This update is instantly reflected in Azure DNS. You can also create new records or zones for Azure DNS directly within the Infoblox portal. Now let's add a simple A record. We'll give it a name and IP and then save it. In the Azure DNS console, you can see the updates and the new record created in the Infoblox portal. This consolidated management for DNS services not only boosts efficiency, but also significantly minimizes errors that can occur due to misconfiguration across multiple platforms. Infoblox Universal DNS Management delivers consolidated and consistent management for cloud-native and on-premises DNS solutions, enhancing the speed and efficiency of your DNS services across your entire infrastructure. Thanks for watching.